Come home to the sought-after Avalon floor plan in Plummer Creek. The tray ceiling foyer leads to the massive open family room, with box ceiling, wired for surround sound and floor plug, kitchen with island, breakfast nook and dining area adorned in designer colors. The kitchen boasts gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, 42-inch coffee-colored cabinets, new backsplash, pantry and pull-down faucet. Additional space added between cabinets and island. Tile flooring throughout, except bedrooms. Hidden pocket sliders lead to the tile screen lanai where you can enjoy peacefulness and privacy of the preserve area. Additional recessed lighting and alcoves to bedrooms. Crown molding and double sinks in owner's bed and bath. Full hardy board siding with stone accent, dormer windows and new landscaping add to the curb appeal. The home is finished off with pull-down attic with stairs, and flooring, lighting, full gutters, French drains,